Today, we're diving deep into the Shure movemic 2, Shure's latest truly wireless clip-on microphone system designed for content creators, bloggers, podcasters, and mobile filmmakers. Design build quality. The movemic 2 consists of two wireless lavalier-style microphones and a compact charging case. Each mic is ultra-lightweight and discreet, making them ideal for on-camera work without drawing attention. The clips feel sturdy, and the build is premium. Shure didn't cut corners here. They're also IPX4 rated, so they can handle light rain or sweat during outdoor shoots. Sound quality. Shure is known for its sound, and the movemic 2 delivers clear, rich vocals with excellent noise handling. The built-in DSP ensures minimal background noise pickup and natural vocal presence. Latency is impressively low when paired with the receiver. Overall, the Shure movemic 2 is one of the best wireless lav systems of 2024 to 2025. It combines Shure's legendary audio engineering with modern creator-friendly features. If you want reliability, crystal clear sound, and a sleek form factor, this system is worth the investment. Thank you so much.